So the trace I couldn't find. I think it had totally corroded, so I've jumped across to composite from the S-video. So now we've got colour picture. Ignore the audio wire, that's just on there temporarily so I can test it. I had no more RCA lead, so but yeah, this one's ready to be put back in CD drive tested. I had it running the other night, but it was black and white, so I had to do a bit more research, the monochrome or composite work, sorry. So yeah, all good. Second CD32 running. Just a shame I had to jumper it across, didn't really want to, like I say. There's not much I could do. I mean, that's the only glitch with this. There's nothing else wrong with the console now, so I suppose that's me happy. Thanks a lot.